super starts itself out of the box. Magnet about 5 millimeters. Coupling magnets here. Coupling magnet on the shorter part of the arm. Came with batteries. Stable equilibrium position. Similar position on another side. And it is not self-starting from this position. Now if I put it closer, no, it did not start. There is some chaotic motion, but it is decreasing in amplitude. Now release from here. It's also stopping. Is from here. It is going. Okay. Here you can see the balance of the top part. The shortest is slightly more heavy. The top one is 21.5 long with the axis at 9. The long bar, total length 28.8 and axis at 20.5. Stick diameter 12 millimeters. And the vertical stick, it is made from plastic. At the end is something glued in. Bearing shaft 2 millimeter. Now can see effect of the magnet built in here that couples both oscillators. And consumption measured 30 microamps idle and about 150 microamps when pulse. Starting spinning without battery. Stopped making full turn after 1 minute. Complete stop after 4 minutes. Held together by 6 screws. Inside we see that all 4 batteries are wired in series. Here is configuration of coils. There is action coil and 2 sensing coils. The circuit is marvel of analog electronics. There are 2 operational amplifiers, 4 transistors, 8 diodes. The coil resistance is 50 ohms. For the present price in AliExpress, it doesn't make sense to reverse engineer the circuit board. Here you can compare with my home built circuit. It is only 1 coil, but motion needs to be pretty fast to induce enough voltage to open transistors. It does not have operational amplifiers to amplify small EDS signal.